Hello friends, today we are going to analyze the chart of the most powerful person at the present time, the President of USA. So let's begin. Welcome to Indian Astroscience channel. Today we are going to determine why the Mr. President take such a emotional decision that makes the turmoil in world, the rise of Afghanistan. What happens behind this man and how his mind works, you are going to watch this in this series. As we can see, this guy is born with a lagna of 27 degree in Sagittarius sign, ruled by the asterism Uttarashadha. The lord of this asterisk is Sun, and Sun rules the authority. So, the president and the person who sits at such post of authority must have a strong authoritative subconscious mind, and he deserves this as he has the potential to rule the worlds and their subordinates. So, this sun gives him a highly authoritative position in his life. Now, let's see what going on at the present scenario. When we look at the present period of his life, he is running under Jupiter Mahadasha, and Jupiter is actually the planet of wisdom. In this chart, this Jupiter is placed in 8th house, the house of transformation, where it is in almost exhalation. So, this person has a great wisdom which he is using to make America a better America. But what's wrong going in between this duration is that the Jupiter is in a watery sign ruled by moon, that makes him very highly emotional at the current scenario. The dasha or the period of the Jupiter is supported or works with the dasha of north node Rahu, and Rahu or the north node is known to make sudden uncertain decisions in the life. It is the only planet that can make a very fast and a very massive decisions within the seconds, and the same is happening with the Mr. President. In this period of Jupiter and Rahu, Jupiter is already in very high emotional stage. The Rahu, which is seated in the sign of Sun, the decision maker, makes him very strong that he overrules the suggestions given to him by his colleagues, and this overruling of the suggestions of the real facts of the real datas makes him a bit risky with the decision. Now in this Rahu, their works actually is the moon. Since the May 2021 up to the August, the person has made very high emotional decisions. So something around the June or July, he make his mind and he makes such treaty in his deep emotions. And we all know at the authoritative positions, the emotional decisions makes the people hurt mostly. The same is happening with him, what is going to be the next. By the October, this period of Rahu, the north node, is going to end, and until this he will make some quick decisions again and again that are going to create some negative images about him. Why I'm saying this? Because at the current situation, his Saturn, the Lord of Karma, the Lord of Works, is going towards the South Node. After this April 2022, somewhere around September or October 2022, he is going to face a very strong opponent or opposition at his workplace, and all the things that are going on at the present scenario is just a background to make that event a reality. This chart, when we look at the chart of profession, we see that the Jupiter is still in a watery sign, that is an emotional sign. So he works with his emotions and high emotions. Second thing is this Rahu is placed in a moving sign, and a moving sign where people are too fast to make the decisions, and the same is happening with him. Then comes the moon, and you can see that moon is still in its own sign, watery sign of Cancer, where he makes him very emotional. And this is why the duration of Jupiter, Rahu and moon turns this authoritative person into a highly emotional person while taking such decisions. I don't say that he is taking it for own, but he is taking a decision highly emotionally with the power or potential of the north node Rahu. And this north node Rahu is actually creating a trouble in his life and will make him force to face a serious challenges in the current 2.5 year duration. I hope you can understand that the period of the planets going at the time are actually behind the happenings that you are going to face. So this is the actual reason why the Mr. President is facing such a huge turmoil in his life. I hope all of you can understand that the astrology can predict the behavior of the person at the present scenario with its total dedication. Thank you.